In this video, I'll be showing you how to limit or cap FPS with RivaTuner or RTSS. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So all you want to do is go over to your search and then just open up the RivaTuner statistics server once you have it downloaded. It might ask you for admin privileges, but then just go ahead and open it up. Now look at your Windows taskbar system tray on the bottom right, click the arrow, and you're going to see a lot of different options here. But what you want to do is click the blue monitor icon with the pink numbers inside, and now it's going to look like this. Now, this is the RivaTuner statistics server. On the left-hand side, you're going to see your profile list if you have anything open. Alternatively, what you want to do is click the large add button on the bottom left to add whichever file you want. So let's just say I want to go ahead and just use any exe file. I'm just going to use RTSS as an example. But now move your mouse to the right-hand side. Now you're going to see a lot of different things here, but all you want to go ahead and do is once you have it enabled, you're going to see a lot of different things, but you're going to see frame rate limit as one of them. So all you want to do is switch that from 0 to, let's say, something like unlimited. So obviously I can just have a frame rate limit like so, and then I'll be able to change it. And yeah, if you want things to work smoothly, you could have on it, like let's say you have a 240 hertz monitor, I'd recommend 237 FPS frame rate limit. And then yeah, that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.